Okay guys, quick look round before we start. Our starting point. Now a lot of those are just zip tied on and they will be permanently mounted, but at the moment all I'm doing is kind of just working out where I want those bags. The front looks good. I like the front. I like the way that webbing makes the front look, but it's not going to pass an MOT like that, so that's not to say that I'm not going to leave it there. Just means when it comes to the MOT I'm going to have to remove that front webbing, take it in, get the MOT, and then put it back on afterwards. Today's episode is going to be about electric, so today I want to get that panel mounted. I bought myself another 3 of those. So there's 3 of those, that'll be 4 altogether that will control the spotlights. One will control the front spotlight, one will control the rear spotlight, one is going to control the 2 floodlights that I had just purchased, and there's one spare in case I may think of something else. And I've brought the wires, black, red, and I'm using blue for the lights. So black, red and blue wire for the lights. Right, first job getting the angles right, so that's 90, that's 90. Of this and remove some material, and that gives me a nice creased straight line to work a little bang against. So what I'm going to do, using these connectors, I'm going to connect, I'm going to connect the power into one of them, and then the power to each of the switch into the others. Then I'm going to do the same for the neutral. So the neutral runs directly to the frame. I'm going to put the neutral in one of them and connect all the 4 neutrals to the other. And then finally I'm going to connect the spotlights